Hey guys, Danny Johnson here, and today we're going to be changing the battery in our keyless entry for our Nissan. So we're going to go ahead and push down on this tab and slide the key out. Now the part that's a little tricky on this is you usually take a screwdriver and you pop it in half, and you might think that you'd put that down there where the key came out, but it's actually right here where it joins. So as you can see, I'm prying gently here. There's really not a place for it. You just have to get a really small screwdriver and pry right on that edge. Now once it pops open, be careful with that board there. Now you'll see this is the battery, and the negative side is pointing up with all the little dots on it. So we're just going to go ahead and pry this one out. Now with these batteries, they say not to touch it with your fingers unless it's on the edges. The old battery doesn't really matter, but it will technically not be good for the battery and its connection. But as you saw, the positive side here with the plus on it actually faces downward. So here's our new one that we're putting in. So face it downward and just pop it in. Try not to touch it too much. And now we're going to flip this over and just put it right back together and snap it closed. So that's how simple it is to change the battery on these. We'll put our key back in here. And so it just slides in. And then, of course, you want to test to make sure that it works. So thanks for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please check the video description. I have other videos that are similar to this. And if you're new to the channel, feel free to subscribe. Thanks, guys.